welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin real quick. I'm going to make this video not too long, nice and short, just a quick overview on what's going on. Guys, I got to tell you, I mean, everything's looking bullish still. You can see how my first target, we're seeing most of our resistance right there at the 94. Well, at the 39, 489 area. That's where I had it. And we got to 39, 493. So I was about $4 off there to get this. Now I didn't have this high in until we hit the 100-day moving average. Which I will show you in a minute here. We'll see where that is on the daily. Up there it is, right there, this purple line. Now, so far, everything's still looking good, guys. I mean, look at this. Everything I drew up, it broke everything. Just boom, boom, boom. Okay? Anything I draw up, it's broken. So you can see where I have my levels, where I have my targets here. They're colored in purple. We have some support here. We got resistance up here, and of course our main support down here. And so that's what we're going to be looking for potential bounces. If we lose these areas, and if we break these areas, we'll look for this area to be broken next, okay? And maybe we can get up in the 43,000 area, and that'll be and go higher. So also the bump and run, okay? So we're looking at this too as well. Because like I said, that's when I look to really, when Bitcoin's going to really make a big move. If we can break this here and then maybe boom and then go, oh, guys, we're going all-time highs if that happens. Now, I would like to have it, even though I am still in my position, I would like to have it actually hit our target, for us to make some money. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say, guys, just my opinion, educational purposes only. I would love for this to hit our final target and then come down and wiggle around and then bust out of it, because the longer we go in this pattern, the more explosive it'll be, okay? And I'm going to show you, you can see the wedge inside this little wedge. It's a nightmare mix up in here, so I got cleaned up a chart for you guys. I believe it's this one right here. Okay, so we had this wedge. Now we're breaking this wedge. Okay, see, we had this little wedge right here that we broke. Okay, I had this originally like this. I don't know why that locked like that. I had it originally up here. Why is it not working? Okay, technical difficulties on YouTube. All right, so I had this like this, and then this like this. I had something like this. It was just something similar to this right here. And then we broke that. And then, of course, we would always play moves inside the moves. We've been playing we've been catching these bottoms and selling these tops this whole time, okay? So now we're in this move. And I'm still waiting for this bump and run right here, guys, on this longer triangle right here. We have the 1 and the 2 touch, and we're just waiting for it. This will be the explosive move, or we can get rejected, come back down, and then go, okay? So that could be another possibility, where we see something like this and then come out and then go. Or we can just fold right here and then start to go. So it's Bitcoin, guys, or a tweet. I mean, you got the news, anything can control this market right now. It's crazy. So we are hitting, I mean, what was the high here? We had 39,600. And so we still haven't broke my previous, let's see. We haven't broke this line here. Oh, well, we had a little peak. We actually peaked out of it when I was doing all this talking, but now we're coming back down. So we want to see a 4-hour candle close above here to maybe test this 100-day moving average again, okay? And then we break our previous high at 40,527 area, and then we can move up to our next target here, okay? So that's how we're going to play Bitcoin, guys. And let's go to Ethereum chart real quick, because I don't want to make this video too long. Now, I had this wedge. Now, we broke down out of it, okay? But, guys, there's so much momentum. I cleaned all this up, okay? I did have lines because we're going to do some support and resistance together. The good news is on all the moving averages, look at this. Well, that's on the 4-hour, but look at the daily too. I mean, it's looking good. We got the 50. We still got the 200-day, which we moved above the 200-day, which was which was huge, okay, because that's the biggest moving average to fight against. Then we came down and we bounced right off the 50-day. I can zoom in. Just like we bounced off the 200, we bounced off this. Now, if we get above this 100-day, we're probably going to come up and then bounce off that at some point too. I mean, that's just what it does, right? I had this wedge. We came out of this wedge a couple times. So we had our buy point here because on the daily, this is where it bounced on our 50. So if I go back to the 50, this is where it bounced at around the 2150 area. Okay. It's different on the 4-hour chart because obviously this is a 4-hour moving average instead of a daily, right? So yes, on the daily, this is where the bounce happened. Okay. Then it brought us back in. Then we came out. Then we bounced back in. This has been a crazy because we had this pattern broke, right? And then we had the bounce. So now we're going to have to readjust this, right? Because 3 touch points there. Okay. We don't really have anything at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is see what else we have here. I mean, we could still keep this as a channel, but let's see what else we have here. Is there anything else that I'm missing? Let's go to our chart. Let's go to the hour. See if we can get some more structure here. Ooh, guys, look at this. Look at this. Potential little W right there. Okay. Above, it looks like 2321 area. Maybe get a candle close above there or even a breakout above there could result in at least touching the top of this wedge at 2454. That could be a possibility, or at least touching the high, this previous high, which was 2437. So that could be a possibility. So keep an eye out for this. Let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to go down, obviously this is going to start to fold. So let's keep an eye on all this. But everything's still looking bullish, guys. Let's look at the ribbons. Nope, that's not it. Okay, the ribbons. I mean, this is looking good on the daily. Let's look at the weekly. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4 hours looking good. Let's look at the daily. Or the weekly, I'm sorry, the weekly. Here we go. Boom. Oh, look at this, guys. Whew. I mean, we get a close above here on the by Sunday. 39,580 area. I mean, this thing's going to keep going, guys. I mean, that's just the bottom line. Unless we hit our target and fail first. And then of course, but if we can hold that, we have a chance. There's a good chance to keep pushing this thing higher. So I'm liking Ethereum. I'm liking Bitcoin. But we are hitting the higher parts of our zones now. So we do got to be a little careful here, especially on Bitcoin. You can see my green zone. We're having trouble here. We opened. We got the higher high, though, for the daily. We got the higher high. So we'll see what happens. That's always good. Now let's see if this thing comes down, breaks back into our box here, and then or test this support area, because we don't want to create a new low, right? A lower low would be ugly. But we did barely create a higher high. Not by much. By what, like $100, $150? Not even. So so that is good. So let's just keep an eye on everything. Let's see, maybe we get a bounce off of this 38,400 area. That could be a possibility. So just keep an eye on this. And I'm still waiting for this bump and run to happen, because God, I can't wait for that. I've been waiting for that for a long time now. So let's keep that in mind as well. So listen, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. That's all I'm asking. Just show me love. I'm doing this out of love for you guys, because I want to help as many people as I can, and just, create a great atmosphere on this channel. And, I love all you guys for subscribing, and I really appreciate it. And I would just appreciate if you guys just keep it coming. So, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll get this video out to you right away. And peace out, guys.